Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas app very good settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on this page of Tapas app. Then we click on first app and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.